Hi Aquarius, this is your yearly predictions. I'll be, just talking about a few things, not many things, because you will hardly remember. But this reading will be for a, it is to give you some hope because good things, bad things, both will happen in this year. But this year looks a little better than our whatever we have gone through in the past, the year of 2024. So now in the year 2025 things are looking much better, and it will at least give us stability, long term growth, and if we do our work correctly we will be moving forward in this year. So for Aquarians, this year will present opportunity to step out of your comfort zone. So Two of Wands is telling me going towards a distance. It is about making choices that could be risky, but that can take you to an expanded situation. So basically, Aquarians, you will be influenced by Two of Wands, Page of Wands, good news and enthusiasm coming back in your life. With the Emperor card, some of you will be aided by the bosses, authorities, institutions, powerful people in this time period. You will also take a break this year with the Four of Swords. Some of you will take time to think, some of you will take some leave, some of you will be enjoying your time in quietness or solitude. So it is a good year, it is, the influences are good. So in terms of your economy or your career, you will be presented with opportunities. So with the Empress and the Judgment card, your abundance situation will see some absolute judgment. It is going to see some absolution. You will make a decision to realistically enhance your wealth, your abundance, your career situation, your love situation, partnership, new launches, new business. You can do that. So with the Queen of Swords and the King of Pentacles, your approach will be long term, your approach will be of stability. You will ground yourself, you will be pragmatic, practical, and you are going to make a future, decision, a decision with purpose, how to grow your finances, how to do good business, how to be in a long term situation of wealth. With the Queen of Swords, you will have necessary acumen to, you know, plan out this career situation, your career situation. So you will go through sense of misery, you will go through illusions, you will go through self doubt in the initial part, but then you will move towards a good judgment, and a very draining period in your career will be over. So the first 6 months of the year is showing Ace of Cups. So there will be a renewal in terms of your career, your health, your relationship situation. So Ace of Cups is showing a pure energy coming in. It is going to flow through you, making you aware of your self worth, giving you a new love opportunity, giving you a new, path, a new spiritual experience. For some of you, it is birth of a child. Some of you, a conception. It is, a period, the first half of the 2025, the first 6 months will start with a renewal. With the King of Wands energy, you will become free of encumbrances. You can become, your spirit can be of an entrepreneur. You can start thinking of becoming a free leader, a person who lives their life, pursues their passion, goes for travels. So your energy will be very fiery, feisty, and you will be moving towards your goals with great confidence as a great leader. So, with the 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles, the first 6 months of 2025 shows major accomplishment, dreams coming true, wealth situation becoming long term, career becoming long term, dreams could be fulfilled. Some of the dreams could be the biggest dreams of your life. They can happen for you, and it will be benefiting not just you, it will be benefiting your family. Quick resolution of problems and with accomplishment, it is possible in the first 6 months. So let's read out the Lenormand cards which have come out for you. So the first card that fell out for you is the number 6 card, the clouds card. So after a temporary dilemma, you will be able to resolve your setbacks. Don't be discouraged. Obstacles on your way won't last at all. Perhaps your efforts are not showing fruition, and you are not entirely satisfied. So you have to contain your ambition, find the right path, and after a momentary situation, unexpectedly you will be moving towards your dreams coming true. Career promotion is possible, and maybe it will not satisfy your ambition, but you will get it. In terms of love, self control is required, and thanks to people's help, thanks to your firmness and belief, and your partner and you will be together. So basically, this will be the clouds card prediction. There is another card, the card number 7. This is the card of for the initial part. It shows that there can be a betrayal on the cards. Don't trust a seemingly courteous or affectionate woman. uh, there is possible that in the month of March there can be suspicion, doubts. You could be feeling a little restless in this time. So don't trust anyone in this time period. Major success is possible, a renewal is possible after a period of bad health or bad situation. So it is possible that you will get through this period of betrayal. Um, and also major success will come, and you could have you have to have um, you could be affected by whims of an inconstant person in this time period. So it could be a woman. And then the card of coffin is coming for you. So this could be time of unpredictable health. It's all happening in the month of March. Accept a change even if it confuses you. And some of you will end an affair in this time period. Some of you will become sentimental because of separation. But your economy is looking good in this time period. So, what I'm seeing in terms of your personal life is with the mm, devil and the star, you will be able to leave situations that saturate you. Bad health, chronic health situation, you can move towards treatment, you can get good health support, you can get to good health with the star energy. So devil in the star tells us that temptation, negative situations in personal life, because of health, because of a bad person, because of a codependent situation, because of a negative or a immovable situation, all can in this time period you will go through all that, but with the star energy you will be able to come out of it, because divine will help you. Spiritual practices will help you. There will be control, but that control will be mitigated. So with the Queen of Wands energy, you will have to become bold, you have to have determination, conviction, and you will be able to move out of situations that trouble you. So in your personal life, robustness, health, everything will come back to you if you have patience and if you have the courage to deal with it. In the second half of your 6 months of 2025, the manifestation energy is very, very impactful. You will have the correct speech, the correct expression, and Mercury is going to help you. And with the full energy, you will be able to take risks, or you will be able to move to new paths. Both the cards tell us that new situations will arrive after July, after June, maybe. New situations will arrive for you in the month of Virgo. You are going to see. So, September, maybe in end of September up to the uh, end of July and September, you will see growth, you will see a new movement, you will see that you are taking a new risk situation, and you are manifesting it, you are manifesting an adventurous new path. And with the Three of Wands, you will expect the best in this time period, whether it is your personal or your professional life. Economy will grow slowly, it will move slowly, something will be coming towards you. It is, however, very, very reliable with the Knight of Pentacles energy. This could be a very reliable person around you, or it is your growth situation which will be slow, but it will be steady and sure. With the Two of Cups, a new beginning in terms of partnership is happening, renewal energies are coming in. Maybe a new beginning in job or career will happen. Brilliant results of your work will happen. Good harvest with the Four of Wands. Good harvest, good results, brilliant success is coming to you. Promotion or appreciation will come to you. Commitment, good partnership, and happy home will prevail in the second half of your year. So basically, there will be a little bit of problem in the end of February, from the end of February to the March, the month of March, but after that your situation will keep on improving, and you will experience Ace of Cups in the beginning, and in the second half as well you have Two of Cups. So the internal feelings will be good, but there will be a time when you will have to take rest, and you have to rejuvenate in this year. So fifth house energy, so fifth house is the house of Gemini. This will be powerfully loaded with the planet of Jupiter, and then the planet will move to Cancer, your sixth house. So fifth house energy will be impactful. It will be connected with your children or your lovers. So higher education, creativity of your children, speculation about them, you will be able to entertain yourself. You will have good love connections, and that is going to be good. Uranus will be in Gemini, and that tells us that affects sometimes surprisingly. So that can be a surprise situation in your fifth house, and fifth house is connected with fun, children, entertainment, and higher education. So some of you will be taking up scientific work, scientific endeavors. Your second house will be affected by the north node, that is Rahu. So you will be connected with foreigners, you could be connected with corrupt situations. Some of you are away from your home country, and you will be connected with technology. Some of you will be affected by your love situation or marriage situation, um, alliances, your desires, your contracts. Some of you will be dealing with litigation, or some of you will be trading. Your marriage could be a significant thing in the year 2025. So, your outcome energy is commitment with the Hierophant and the Lovers, strong relationship, committed relationships. With the Strength card, you will be working for good, you will be working, or you will be choosing the correct thing, and you will be doing the right thing, and you will try to bring in harmony. Your choices and your strength and your courage will be visible in this year, and you will be stable this year. So let's read out the final card for you, card number 2, the Clover card. It is telling us that there will be profitable or advantageous business deals in this year. Overall, in terms of love, you will be, everything will have a perfect end, and you will have a partner who is not just good, they will also be rich. Any initiative that you will be undertaking in terms of your economy will be successful. Reshuffling in the organization will give you a good role. New duties can come to you, and a stimulating role will help you to grow further. An inheritance can come to you in terms of money after an initial uncertainty this year. In the year 2025, you will have a satisfying compromise in terms of your money, inheritance, extra income, lucky chances, and a deal to your advantage is coming to you this year. So you will be doing well, Aquarius. There is going to be judgments regarding your abundance, and abundant, you will be abundant, you will also accomplish this year, in terms of your business partnerships and new deals. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. Just write to me through the email ID in the description box, and I will reply to you. Meanwhile, keep your eyes peeled for new readings that I will post for you for the month of January, that will give you a specific outlook about the month, and also your next 10 days readings as usual. Keep watching and keep sharing my readings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the period of new year, and I wish you the best in this time period. Bye bye.